Barbecue fam, today we're doing an unboxing and an assembly of a new addition to the barbecue shack. Oh hell yeah, and we're gonna season this bad boy. Check this out.
Give me a hell yeah!
So the assembly of the flat iron went pretty smooth and together in about 20 minutes, 30 minutes tops, and we're getting her fired up and we're going to season this. This is pretty easy. The instructions were pretty straightforward, and yeah, let's rock and roll. Now this flat iron we're going to clean, and so once you get it assembled, you're going to clean it with soapy water and then wipe all that off with a damp towel. That's the only time you're going to use soap on this, unless you absolutely destroy it and need to start all over. So, easy peasy, hot water with some soap in it, towel, wipe it down, and then clean it off with a damp towel. And then from there, you turn on the burners, crank this bad boy up to high. When you develop some darkness onto that flat top, then you can start to add some oil. I'm adding avocado oil, and then I'm going to rub that in with some folded up paper towels. You're going to do that about 3 to 4 times, So this takes about another 15 minutes. You want to do it every few minutes. Nice and thin layers. Try to hit up all the sides, the edges, and you're going to develop a nice color that's going to allow this to be non-stick. You don't want nothing to stick. Oh heck no. So we got the griddle running, and we've already seasoned, and we are just developing that color, the seasoning, and this is looking great. So we're ready to shut this down, let it cool off, and then we're going to be going right into our first cook.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Oh. Hell yeah. Rockin' Jalapeno Smashburger. Oh hell yeah. So guys, this Char-griller 3-burner awesome flat iron griddle is going to be used pretty heavily in the next coming months. And back to griddling, fun times. Still got the Char-griller 980. Yes, we will never stop smoking here in the barbecue shack. Oh heck no. And now we got the griddle. Lots of awesome quick cooks you can do on a griddle, and the possibilities are endless with anything once you get creative. So fire up your griddles, guys. We got some awesome cooks coming up here at Kimball's Barbecue. Oh hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!